Tired of crumbs, dust, and debris taking over your car's interior? A powerful car vacuum cleaner is your ultimate solution for a spotless vehicle. Today, we're revealing the top 5 car vacuum cleaners that'll transform your messy car into a pristine, showroom-worthy ride in just minutes. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have a revolutionary 3-in-1 wireless vacuum that goes beyond ordinary cleaning. This multifunctional powerhouse offers vacuuming, air extraction, and blowing capabilities, making it the Swiss Army knife of car cleaning. With its high-power motor and extended reach design, you can tackle every corner of your vehicle effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with stubborn dust, annoying pet hair, or debris stuck in hard-to-reach areas, this versatile tool handles it all. The wireless design means no tangled cords, no searching for outlets, and complete freedom to move around your car. Clean under seats, in tight crevices, and even your trunk without straining. The blowing function is perfect for cleaning air vents and removing dust from delicate electronics. It's not just a vacuum, it's a complete car care solution. Want this versatile cleaning companion? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, we're stepping up the power with this 12V handheld beast boasting 5100 P suction. This portable cleaning monster connects directly to your car's 12V outlet, ensuring consistent power whenever needed. The super strong suction makes quick work of fine dust to larger debris like cereal or pebbles. What sets it apart is the included crevice tool and accessory kit for every cleaning challenge. The high-power motor delivers professional performance in a compact, easy-to-handle design, perfect for pet owners, parents, or anyone demanding spotless interiors. The 12V power means no battery worries, just plug in and clean as long as needed. It fits easily in your glove compartment, always ready when messes happen. Ready for this powerful solution? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the ultimate pet owner solution, a wired 12V vacuum engineered to tackle pet hair. If you've struggled with cat or dog hair embedded in car seats, this is your new best friend. The specialized design features powerful suction optimized for stubborn pet hair that regular vacuums leave behind. It's also versatile for household and car cleaning. The wired 12V connection ensures unlimited cleaning time with consistent power, so you can get every single hair out. The compact handheld design makes it easy to maneuver around seats, floor mats, and cargo areas. Pet owners love how effortlessly it lifts embedded fur from fabric seats. No more lint rollers needed. The lightweight build won't tire your arm during extended sessions. Whether seasonal shedding or everyday accumulation, this delivers professional results. Want this pet hair eliminator? Just click the link in the description and comments. Number 2, taking second spot, is this powerful 3K PA suction-corded vacuum combining serious power with ultimate convenience. This compact handheld packs professional-grade suction rivaling much larger models. The corded design connects to your car's 12V plug, eliminating battery anxiety and providing consistent, fade-free power throughout cleaning. The standout feature is the easy emptying system. No messy bags, just a quick dump and back to cleaning. The compact size stores easily under seats or in door pockets, always accessible when needed. Perfect for cars, trucks, and home use, this versatile vacuum handles fine dust to larger debris with impressive efficiency. The lightweight, portable design means anyone can use it comfortably, with durable construction ensuring years of reliable service. Whether a quick touch-up or deep clean after road trips, this delivers consistent performance. Want this cleaning powerhouse? The link is in the description and comments below. Number 1. And here's number 1, the champion of car vacuum cleaners. This portable, rechargeable, cordless vacuum represents the perfect fusion of power, portability, and convenience. What makes it our top pick? Ultimate freedom. No cords, no plugs, no limitations. Just pure wireless cleaning power wherever you need it. The rechargeable battery provides substantial runtime for thorough vehicle cleaning on a single charge. The cordless design lets you easily clean every nook from dashboard to trunk. This delivers impressive suction rivaling corded models, making it a true car maintenance champion. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, while the powerful motor tackles dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris. The filtration system captures the finest particles, leaving your car's air cleaner. Perfect for travelers or auto enthusiasts demanding showroom interiors. This is the vacuum professional detailers trust. Ready to elevate your car cleaning? The link is in the description and comments. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.